Think navigating Zurich means expensive taxis and tourist traps. Think again. I'm about to reveal the 3 simple hacks for mastering the tram network, snagging epic Swiss eats, and getting around on a budget. No stress, all charm. Planning to explore the beautiful city of Zurich? The public transport system here can save you valuable hours, allowing you to see more of the city. So let me show you how to navigate it like a seasoned local. Zurich's got an extensive network of trams, buses, trains, and even boats, all operating under a unified system called ZVE. Amazingly, one ticket covers everything within the ZVV network. For the best value, consider getting the Zurich card or a day pass instead of purchasing individual tickets each time. You can conveniently buy these at any station using the automated machines, or even easier, directly on your phone with the ZVV app. Beyond the efficient public transport, Zurich is also absolutely fantastic for exploring on foot. Keep an eye out for those blue signs at every stop. They display real-time arrivals and connection information, ensuring you're always on schedule. For seamless navigation, download the ZVV app. It provides door-to-door directions, making your journey effortless. A common mistake tourists make? Forgetting to validate paper tickets. Be sure to use those little yellow validation machines before boarding, or you risk a hefty fine. Trams and buses run frequently throughout the day and night, and the entire system is known for being incredibly reliable and punctual. For a truly scenic experience, try taking Tram Line 4 along the lake or enjoy a relaxing boat trip on Lake Zurich itself. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Swiss people are generally super helpful, and most speak excellent English. Wishing you safe and enjoyable travels in Zurich. Now that you know how to get around Zurich, let's talk about one of the city's greatest pleasures, its incredible food scene. Zurich offers everything from cozy cafes to elegant restaurants, with flavors inspired by German, French, and Italian traditions. For a true taste of Zurich, try Zürcher Geschnetzeltes, tender veal in a creamy sauce, usually served with crispy rosti potatoes. For classic Swiss dishes like fondue and raclette, head to Swiss Chuchi in the Old Town, or the lively Zeughauskeller beer hall. For a special night out, visit Kronenhalle, famous for its historic atmosphere and classic Swiss cuisine. Got a sweet tooth? Treat yourself to Luxemburgerly macarons from Confiserie Sprungli or world-famous Swiss chocolate at Laderack. For a quick bite, grab a freshly baked pretzel from Brezelkönig or a juicy bratwurst with mustard at Stern & Grill. Local favorites. Vegetarians and vegans will love Haus Hiltel, the world's oldest vegetarian restaurant, with its amazing buffet of global dishes. For something modern, check out the food stalls at Markthalle or Im Viaduct, where you'll find trendy eats and international flavors. Whether you're picnicking by the river with local cheese and bread, or dining in a Mountain View restaurant, Zurich's food will delight you. So come hungry. And don't forget to pair your meal with a glass of Swiss white wine or a locally brewed beer. Enjoy your culinary adventure in Zurich.